This tutorial provides an overview of the law relating to trespass. An action may be brought in trespass for direct and intentional interference with a person, goods, or land. In the event that the trespass is indirect or unintentional, it may be the claimant has a claim in negligence instead. Trespass to the person. The torts of assault, battery and false imprisonment all constitute trespass to the person. Assault. Assault has been defined as an act which causes another person to apprehend the infliction of immediate, unlawful force on his person. It is not necessary, therefore, that the force actually be inflicted. Rather, there must be an apprehension or fear that it will. In Stevens, for example, the defendant committed an assault by making verbal threats to the claimant and thereby placing him in fear, even though the defendant was physically prevented from reaching the claimant by the actions of a third party. The act must have been intentional, and the claimant must have believed that the defendant would carry out the attack as threatened, causing the claimant to suffer some immediate and unlawful violence. In Thomas, the court held no assault was committed by striking minors who gesticulated aggressively towards working minors in circumstances where the latter were protected by a cordon of police officers. Given the presence of the police officers, the working minors were under no reasonable apprehension of immediate and unlawful violence.